This is a short test of a couple of things with the Osmo Pocket, DJI Osmo Pocket. We're shooting in 4K, 30 frames a second, so follow works. I'm keeping the elephant on the little ladder there, climbing up on the shelves in my office. I've lost track. Let's see if we can give him track again. Okay, there's green. It should be following the elephant, and it is. And I'm going to upload this raw video film direct from the Osmo DJI Pocket to YouTube. Now I'm going to do a, we still got him? No, we lost him. Okay, let's see if it reacquires him. Nope, I lost track, so I have to do it again. Double tap on the screen till the little thing turns green when you're in the follow mode. But anyway, I'm going to excuse me. I'm going to upload this raw film directly to the to YouTube from the Osmo Pocket. Now, how can you do that? You just need a USB-C cable you can plug into the bottom or to the side of the Pocket camera. You of course need, if you're using the one on the side that goes into your smartphone, you need a female on one end and a male on the other, or a lightning on the other if you're using iPhone. But we're going directly to a Windows 10 computer from the DJI Pocket, essentially making the DJI Pocket just another USB hard drive on the Windows 10 and upload off the directly off the Osmo Pocket to YouTube. So all you need to do is hook a cable on the bottom. I'll post a tutorial on this, but just hook the two together, your computer and your DJI Pocket. Subject lost. Okay. Subject reacquired. That's good. That's what should have happened. Yeah. Anyway, just hook the two together and then just upload as you normally do on YouTube using the DJI Osmo Pocket. It's just an external USB hard drive. Extremely simple. And the raw files seem to look pretty good on YouTube. Yeah, that's fun. Okay, well, I hope we all learned something from this. I certainly did. Osmo Pocket is extremely fine camera. Yes.